Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Finally, we have here in our collection, one of the, of course, popular fitness tracker, in the market, and of course, a popular brand when it comes to electronic devices, whether it's smartphone or wearables. We have here the Huawei. So we have the Huawei Band 7. Okay. So it is powered by Harmony OS. Okay. So we're going to have a review of the Huawei Band 7. Okay. So what we have here, we have the Wilderness Green. Okay, for the silicone strap. Okay, so let's check. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. So let's have the unboxing of this fitness tracker. Okay, we bought it from the official website, online website of Huawei. Okay, so let's see if we do have the English version or the Chinese version here. Okay, so we have some specs here. As you can see, 1.47 AMOLED, full view display, long battery life, continuous heart rate monitoring. We have sleep tracking, automatic SpO2 monitoring. Okay, so 96 workout modes. That is very comprehensive. We have fast charging and 5 ATM water resistance. Okay, 9.9mm ultra thin. So it is an upgrade of the Huawei Band 6. They almost have the same look, but this one is much slimmer or thinner, 9.99mm. Okay, so let's open this wearable. So I guess this is the part. We have an arrow here. So let's remove the sticker. Okay, so let's remove the box here. Okay, just pull it. Okay, nothing inside. So we have here the wearable. Okay, so let's check first the user manual. Okay, so where's the user manual? It's here on the bottom part. Okay, so we have the warranty card. Seems like it is in English language here. Okay, and we have the user manual. Okay, so we have some instructions here. Okay, so we have, it's in different language. So it is available, I think, in different languages here. Okay, so this is French, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Seems like we do have Russian, I don't know. Okay, Chinese. Okay, quick start guide. So we have the English language also. Okay, so very simple, very short user manual here. Okay, so just the safety or setting up your devices and operation safety manual here. Okay, so that's it. And we have the warranty card. Do we have a charger? Let's check. Okay, so we have the charging cable here, magnetic. Okay, and we have this. Okay, the number here. And we have the fitness tracker. Okay, so let's have a closer look at this Huawei Band 7. Okay, so the body is PC material. Okay, we have a beautiful color here. Again, the color, let's check. we have the wilderness green. Okay, sit here, wilderness green. Okay, flexible strap. We have the sensor here. Well, let's read on the bottom. Back cover here. Model. Okay. So Huawei device. And we have a quick release strap here. Okay, so you can change it to other third-party strap. So let's just try to remove it. Okay, that's it. Let's put it back. Okay. Okay, very easy to attach. Okay, so that's it for your Huawei Band 7 design. Okay, let's try to wear it and check. Is it very light or not? Okay, so it's a lightweight wearable here. Looking good, looking sexy. Okay, we have a physical button here. Okay, let's try to remove the cover here. And seems like we do have a slim bezel here, as you can see. Okay, let's turn it on. Do still have a battery left? Okay, still have. We have the Huawei name. Let's just have a fast checking of the menus here. Okay, it's using the Harmony OS for wearables. Then we have here English. Let's check. Okay, download Huawei Health to your phone. Okay, so we have the QR code. Okay, scan to install. So language reset and about. So device name Huawei Band 7, model LEA-B19. Okay, so seems like we do really need to set this up first with our support app. Okay, the Huawei Health. So it is using the Harmony OS version 2.0.0.16. Okay, so that's it for your unboxing of the Huawei fitness tracker or the Huawei smart band. Okay, so on our next video we're going to check on its menus and features of the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, okay, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, again, let's take a look again with the design. Okay, let's check it again. Again, the body is PC material, including the back cover here. Okay, so this is your Huawei Band 7. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.